Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. Today we are going to learn about render.com, one of the easiest cloud hosting platform for developers. If you have Flutter app, Node.js, Backend, MongoDB database, or even a full stack project, Render can help you deploy your application online without complicated server setup. In this video, I will explain what render is, feature of render, how render works, and its pros and cons. So let's start. First, what is render? Render means it is a cloud application hosting platform. It allows developer to deploy applications directly from GitHub repositories without manually managing server. You can host front-end website, backend APIs, while app backends, database, Docker, containers, static website. Render automatically builds your project, deploy, update, provide SSL security, creates live URL, handles scaling. And render is simple and easy to learn, beginner friendly. And another topic is feature of render. Auto deployment means whenever you push code to GitHub, render automatically redeploy your app. Free SSL certificate. Your website gets HTTPS security automatically and easy GitHub integration. Just connect GitHub and deploy. It support multiple languages such as Node.js, Python, Go, Host, Docker, static sites. The another topic is how render works. The workflow is simple. Step 1, write your project locally. Step 2, push code to GitHub. And step 3, connect GitHub repository to render. And step 4, render installs dependency and build the projects. And step 5, render deploys your application online. And every future GitHub push automatically update your live application. Then another topic is advantage of render, easy deployment, beginner friendly, GitHub integration, the SSL, affordable pricing, auto scaling, and good documentation. Then we talk here disadvantage of render, free tier sleep, less powerful than AWS, limited advanced cloud control, can become expensive at scale. Best use cases, render is best for startups, student projects, MVP products, portfolio website, Flutter Web App, Node.js API, and SaaS products. So this was the complete beginner guide to render.com. And if you want in the next video, we can learn how to deploy Flutter Web on render and how to host Node.js backend on render, MongoDB connection setup, custom domain setup, CI/CD deployment. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.